I glued my balls to my butthole again. Oh my god, what did I do? I can't take it down, 'cause now my balls are blocking up my butthole. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on glue. Good God, I pulled too hard. Now my scrotum's stretched out like a fucking yard. Oh God. I glued my balls to my butthole again, man. Oh my God, what did I do? I can't take a dump, 'cause now my balls are blocking up my butthole. Glued my balls. It was inevitable, baby. This could have happened to anyone. Life is just fun like that. I glued my balls to my butthole again. Oh my God, what did I do? I can't take a dump, 'cause now my balls are blocking up my butthole.